Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off active status on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off active status on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, and over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on there, and again from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icons and tap on settings and privacy, and over here guys you'll be required to tap on the privacy option, which is the second one just below the account, and you can see your activity status option available for us. And at the right side of that there is a toggle icon for it. Tap on that toggle icon and your active status on TikTok will be turned off. And there guys, this is how to turn off active status on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.